Hi y'all, this is Mattie, and today I'll be going outside in the sun and sharing my video with you all and let you know how they grown in those last 2.5 weeks that they've been growing. I've been working with them. The flowers is not as pretty as they were last year because of the weather, because we had some hot days and we had a lot of dry days too. But anyway, mine still look pretty to me. I'm gonna go outside and let you see what I'm talking about. Hi y'all, this is Mattie and I'm standing out in the sun trying to fry them up a little bit. I shared them with you all 3 weeks ago and here they are. They've grown a lot. So I'm going to start with this little well. Y'all remember this little well? Hi y'all, I'm showing you my flowers out here now. They are so beautiful. You know the ones around this mailbox? The colors are so brilliant and pretty. And this, when you plant some around the mailbox, if you look up, you don't want them to be so high like I say, but look how these have grown. They are so pretty. Look at all these little different ones. They are low, and this around my mailbox. I love them. And I love showing. This is one of my favorite spots because the flowers grow good and they open up when the sun come down. And like I said, this is a pretty shot. Oh, see these pretty purple ones? These called Noah. I guess they call Noah in the art. I think so. But they are so pretty. They're going to fill out all of this spot right here. See how they grow? I just pull them up every year and they come back on their own. And you can break them flowers out, break a piece off the end like that. And you can put them in the ground. You don't have to put nothing. Just stick them in the ground and they'll root by themselves. That's what I like about that. And they're going to fill up this whole spot. See how these are grown? This green right here. See how they spread it out and stuff. They're grown. And this on the side of my house. Like I say, they're pretty. They're growing. These are colas. I think that's how you pronounce it. But like I said, now see this pretty thing right here? Some kind of lily, I think. These going to turn yellow. All inside these little bulbs right here, they're going to turn yellow. They they come and go, and then they die and they come back. See, you remember last time you couldn't see this purple one. See, these will start coming back, the purple ones. And here's that little orange, I told you that I love. And here's a snapdragon. See how they didn't grow? And my favorite one is this color one right here, that red. It is so pretty and bright. I guess it take partial sun. Hoping you all enjoyed my presentation of my flowers. Thank you for tuning with Mattie's Kitchen and help me share my beautiful flowers. I enjoyed, and I hope you all enjoyed visiting with me. Thank you once again, and I'm going to get back in the kitchen soon. Like I said, thank you all for tuning to Mattie's Kitchen, and have a wonderful day.